Hello guys, in today's video I will show you why Cash App says your bank declined this payment and how to solve it. Also, later in this video I'll show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, it is important to know that when you send money using Cash App, the app communicates with your bank to authorize the payment. If your bank declines the payment, it can happen for several reasons. One common reason is insufficient funds. If your bank account does not have enough money to cover the transaction, the bank will decline the payment. Make sure you have enough balance before sending money. Another reason is a security hold. Sometimes banks detect unusual activity or large transactions and block them to prevent fraud. If this happens, your payment may be declined until the bank verifies your activity. Incorrect payment information can also cause a decline. Check that your debit card, routing number, and account details are entered correctly in Cash App. A small mistake can prevent the bank from approving the payment. Expired or blocked cards may be the reason too. If your debit card has expired or your bank has blocked it for any reason, Cash App will not be able to process the transaction. Update your payment method to solve this. Technical issues with the bank or Cash App can also cause a decline. Sometimes servers are down or there is a temporary problem with the connection. Waiting a few minutes and trying again often solves this issue. To fix the problem, first check your account balance and payment details. Make sure your card is active and not expired. If everything is correct and it still fails, contact your bank to see if they blocked the payment. You can also contact Cash App support for additional help. Following these steps should allow your payment to go through successfully. Keeping your account information up to date and monitoring your bank alerts can prevent future declines. Now, if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or at in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.